How you doing, guys? I got a Rav4 here. I think it's like 2001 or something with 2AZ. The problem this car's got that under when it's in drive and you rev it up, it basically has like an ignition cut and it stalls is the problem. But it does do it with no load as well. So you guys any ideas? Guys, Sam here again. You got a Rav4, got a problem, stalling problem that like you put it in gear, right? You rev it up and it stalls like a piece of shit, right? And it's not misfiring, right? So what you do, we have a fucking coil here, boys, which is fucked. Fuck that off. Put a fucking random one I found in the shop. Plug that cut in, like so. Right. Put it in gear. Nothing fucking wrong with it. Fuck, what a fucking pain in the ass. So yeah, a fucking coil causing car to fucking stall under any RPM. What a piece of shit.